Hi, my name is Gian Pettis and I'm from Green Solar Technologies. Today we'd like to showcase our Unirac solar mount located in beautiful Chatsworth, California. Unirac is the professional's choice for residential PV mounting applications. Every aspect of the system is designed for an easier, faster installation experience. Unirac is a complete solution with revolutionary universal clamps, Flash Kit Pro, and a 25-year warranty. Not only is solar mount easy to install, but its best-in-class aesthetics make it the most attractive on any block. This is what the Unirac solar mount looks like without the skirt. As you can see, there is a clear gap between the solar panels and the roof. And here you can see what the Unirac solar mount looks like with the skirt. With the skirt, the gap between the solar panels and the roof is concealed to increase curb appeal and will help make your home the envy of the neighborhood. The Unirac skirt is an option that Green Solar Technologies offers, so please be sure to let your solar consultant know if it's something that interests you. Yes.